Welcome here. This is a practice for times when your body is asking for care, when you're recovering, feeling unwell, or moving through a period of fatigue, sensitivity, or healing. As we begin, just be open to the possibility that by the end of this practice, you may feel a little more relaxed, a little more supported, and a little more able to allow the healing process you're already in. If you find this practice supportive, you might like to save it so it's here whenever you need it. And you're invited to subscribe for more practices like this shared each week. Now, let's arrive together. If it feels comfortable, you can gently allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and a full, easy exhale through the mouth. Again, breathing in. And gently sighing it out. One more time at your rhythm, a full breath in. And a soft release. Let yourself land here. You might choose to experience this practice seated or lying down. This is a space where you get to be held by the surface beneath you, held by the room around you, held by the quiet presence of the earth below and the open sky above. As you let your body settle into a position that feels supportive, begin to notice where you might soften even slightly. Your shoulders, your jaw, belly, your hands. No forcing, just a gentle allowing. And notice as your breath moves in and out. No need to control it. Just letting it be as it is. And as you rest here, begin to sense that there is already a quiet intelligence within your body. Your heart beating, your breath moving, your body continuously working on your behalf. Without effort, without instruction. So just for now, see what it might be like to soften your effort even a little more. Even a little more. Let the body be supported rather than holding it up. And as you soften in here, let's gently turn toward that deeper current of life. The one that is always moving within you and around you. The same force that opens flowers in the spring, that paints the sky in soft colors at sunset, and returns it again to morning light. That force that pulls the ocean tides in and out in a steady, ancient rhythm. That moves the seasons without rush, without strain. That same intelligence lives in you. It beats your heart. It moves your breath. It supports your body in restoring balance in its own time, in its own way. You don't have to direct it. You are already part of it. So for these next few moments, we rest with that intelligence and we rest within that intelligence. Let your breath be easy. And if it feels natural, you might imagine that with each inhale, you are receiving life. And with each exhale, you are softening into its care. Breathing in, receiving from life, and exhaling and softening into its care. And now gently bring your awareness into the body. Notice if there are places holding tension, tightness, or resistance. And rather than pushing anything away, see if you can allow these places to soften even 2% more. The forehead softening, the jaw unclenching, the shoulders dropping, and the belly releasing. Let the body know it doesn't have to brace right now. If it feels supportive, you might place a hand somewhere on your body. And let that contact be a signal of care. a signal of presence. And as you rest here, you might begin to sense that healing is not something you force, but something you allow. Like the way a small cut on the skin begins to close quietly, steadily, without needing your control. Like the way the body knows how to rest when it's given the space. So just for now, could you lean into that? Could you let yourself be carried even slightly by the larger movement of life? The same movement that guides the tides, that opens the morning, that brings the moon across the night sky. It's here too, now, moving through you, supporting you. And if the mind wanders or uncertainty arises, that's okay. Gently returning to the breath, to the body softening, to the sense of being held within something larger. You might even silently offer to yourself, I allow my body to soften. I allow myself to receive support. I rest within the intelligence of life. No pressure, just an opening. And for a few moments, allow yourself to rest here. Allow yourself to rest here. And as we begin to gently come back, notice what's here now. Perhaps a little more softness, a little more space, or simply a quiet moment of rest. Let this settle in its own way. And remember, each time you soften, each time you allow support, each time you come out of resistance, you are participating in your own restoration, your own renewal. This is something you can return to again and again. May you feel gently supported in the midst of what you're moving through. And may your body be met with patience, care, and compassion. May you soften into the rhythms of rest and renewal that are already unfolding within you. May you remember that you are held within the same life force that sustains all things. Take your time now, gently deepening the breath. Perhaps inviting small movements back into the body. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes if they were closed. Thank you for taking this time to be present with yourself. My name is Marie-Ève. I'm a presence-based psychotherapist and a soul-centered guide. I'm so honored to hold space for your healing. If this practice supported you, I'd love to hear how it landed for you in the comments. And you might like to save it so it's here whenever you need it. And as always, you're welcome to subscribe for more practices like this one. You can explore more of my work at centeredwithin.org. Until next time.